So here's the tour of the camper. Forest River Wildwood. Go to the inside. You need to get a mattress. It's a queen size. Got the little kitchen area, a little table that folds down into a bed. Got propane and electric fridge, little sink, a 2-burner cooker. There is no regular oven, but there is a microwave oven. Got lots of storage space. Some up over the bed here. A lot of storage, which is nice. Pretty good storage under the sink. Got the heater and electric. There's a little radio, CD player with built-in speakers. We got the little bathroom area. Tub shower. Ah! Who's that? Oh, that's me. And that is the tour of the camper.